Hi friends, it's Miss Amy from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library. Have you ever been reading a story or singing a song with your child and you come across a word that you know that they definitely will not know? Don't skip it or replace it, just explain it. Model what you would do if you didn't know what a word meant. If you're reading a picture book, maybe you look at the illustration and see if there's any clues there. Does it sound like any other words that you know? Maybe we can look in a dictionary. Or when in doubt, find an expert who can help us out. And while we want to encourage you to use unfamiliar words, you can always modernize a story as well, or a song. For example, our song today is This Old Man, but I've changed the words just a little bit to make it This New Friend. As I sing my song, I'm going to use some tapping sticks. You could use markers, you could use sticks, you can use whatever you've got at home to do a little bit of tapping. All right, so let's do some tapping and counting together with This New Friend. This new friend, they played one. They played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddy-whack, give a dog a bone. This new friend came rolling home. So that was one. What comes after one? It's two. This new friend, they played two. They played knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack, paddy-whack, give a dog a bone. This new friend came rolling home. So we did one, two, now it's time for three. This new friend, they played three. They played knick-knack on my knee with a knick-knack, paddy-whack, give a dog a bone. This new friend came rolling home. One, two, three, then four. This new friend, they played four. They played knick-knack on the door with a knick-knack, paddy-whack, give a dog a bone. This new friend came rolling home. We did one, two, three, four, and finally it's time for five. This new friend, they played five. They played knick-knack while doing a jive with a knick-knack, paddy-whack, give a dog a bone. This new friend came rolling home. Does anyone know what paddy-whack means or what it is? Anyone? Anyone?